Welcome back to my channel. What I thought we would do today is do a coloring book flip through. Now this might not be for everyone, and that's okay. Although I would love for you to stick around and watch it. You may find these videos are going to be very relaxful and fun even. But they're only going to be once a month. Like I said, I'm only going to do them on my channel once a month. It's just another creative outlet that I think I'm going to love to do, and I think you all will enjoy as well, and many of you have said that you're looking forward to it, so I'm glad about that. So what I'm going to be doing is this Nice Little Town 4 adult coloring book by Tanya Bogoma Stolova. I hope I'm saying that right, but it is so cute. It has such pretty pictures of little mice living their life, and it's just so cute. I mean, they take just everyday things and turn it into such beautiful, fun little creations. So let's take a look at it. Okay, the first page here is just, it says adult coloring book, and you can color this as well. I love that. And then this just says this book belongs to, and you can color that as well. So let's dive into the coloring book. I think this is going to be so much fun. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing vlog style coloring or if I'm going to play really relaxing music while I color. So let me know in the comments below what you would prefer, and I may do one of each just to see which one we like. And another thing I like about this book is it has this black on the back. Now I don't know if that will keep anything from coming through or not, so I have a plan for that. So let's start looking. covers to her other nice little town books. I'm not 100% sure about that. Yeah, it must be, because this is a nice little town too. I would love to eventually get all of those. I think this is just such a whimsical little book. Oh, and the Christmas will be so much fun to do during Christmas. I love all that snow and the snowman and the wreath. And then they have an Easter one. And then magic mask. So I'm assuming these are maybe all about masks. And great lions. That's not my favorite. Steampunk. That owl was cute. And then volume 2 for the steampunk. I don't know why, but that reminds me of Johnny Depp. And then steampunk 3. And then awesome animals. This is gorgeous. This horse's head. Oh, that will be so pretty colored. And then nice little dragons. And then for Valentine with Love, I think this will be so pretty to color. And then she even has a stress relieving design book. And then this is the back, what it looks like. But I just love all the whimsical little drawings that are in here. I think we're going to have so much fun working in this. It may take us a while to finish this book. Like I said, I'm only going to do one coloring page a month, but I think I said this earlier, this one will be a little different because I wanted to do the flip through, and then next week I'm actually going to color a page. I'm not sure which one. So I hope you all enjoyed this. I think this is going to be another fun little creative outlet for us to enjoy together. You can get a coloring book. It doesn't have to be this one. You can get this one. I bought it on Amazon. You can use crayons, coloring pencils from Walmart. It doesn't matter. Or you can just hang out and just watch. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.